In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Thinkific into Circle.so, step by step. By the end, you'll have an automated workflow that invites your Thinkific students into your Circle community without any manual effort. We'll use Zapier to bridge the two platforms, so make sure you can log into your Thinkific Circle and Zapier accounts before we begin. First, create or sign into your Zapier account. Zapier is the tool that will watch for activity in Thinkific and then trigger an action in Circle. Once you're in, click Create Zap. For the trigger app, search for and choose Thinkific. This tells Zapier where to listen for events. Next, select the trigger event that makes sense for your workflow. Common choices are new user, which fires whenever someone creates an account in your Thinkific school, or new full enrollment, which triggers when someone enrolls in a course. Pick the one that matches when you want a member invited to your community. Then connect your Thinkific account to Zapier. You'll be prompted to authenticate, follow the prompts, and ensure you're using an account with the right permissions. After connecting, pull in a sample to make sure Zapier can see real data like a user's email. Now set the action, choose Circle as the action app. For the action event, select Invite Member. This is what actually creates or sends the invitation to your community. Connect your Circle account to Zapier and authenticate. Again, confirm you have the correct permissions to invite members. With both sides connected, map the fields from Thinkific to Circle. At a minimum, map the user's email from the Thinkific trigger into the email field in Circle. If you have the learner's name available, map that to the name field as well, so the invite feels more personal. Review any optional fields or defaults in the Circle action, like which space or group the invite should apply to, if available. Before you go live, test the workflow inside Zapier. Use the test feature to send a sample record from Thinkific to Circle and verify that an invite is created as expected. If something looks off, revisit your mapping and trigger choice, then test again until the result is correct. When your test works, turn on the Zap. From this point forward, every time your chosen Thinkific trigger occurs, Zapier will automatically invite that person to your Circle community. Keep an eye on your first few runs in Zapier's task history to confirm everything is running smoothly and you're done.